の炊きたてご飯に薄切りにしたステーキを乗せてステーキ醤油をかける。レッドボアのステーキ丼完成だ。
That looks so good. Let's make it.
I grilled the steak on the hot pan and also seasoned it with salt around 2 hours before cooking, so all the juice will be locked inside the steak. It takes around 2 minutes to create this nice crust.
I have to wait for some time before cutting the steak to prevent the juice to come out. So in the meantime, I will make the sauce.
I use garlic and then a little bit of ginger for aroma, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a spoonful of sugar. Simmer until the alcohol evaporates and sauce is thickened.
Oh, Kiki, it's the color I love.
Let's combine everything together.
Yay!
I really like this sauce because it's quite simple and also delicious and not overpower the steak taste.